Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're making a syrup. A syrup for cough because my son is coughing. So what we need to do is some ingredients are lemon, garlic, ginger to add the taste because the honey. Okay guys, what we need to do is just squeeze this lemon and then fill this garlic and ginger and we put in the blender and we add some honey. Okay, we start guys. This is garlic. Garlic is just do it like this. Use a knife and it's easy. Okay, next the ginger. This one guys, enough for this. Coughing. So if you have garlic, onion, and ginger in the house, yeah, you can have a homemade cough syrup. Okay, here the ginger. Make sure the ginger is cut. Okay, this one guy. Put in the blender. And then the garlic. And then the lemon. Okay, sit aside. Here. Add the lemon, then blend this one until it's smoothy. Okay. Okay. Blend this one, guys. Turn this one. you have a clean cloth like this, you can drain this one and prepare cibato. Make sure it's clean, the clean cloth. Easy like that, guys. Look at that one. This one is pure honey. Okay. Yeah, it's here. Guys, this one is garlic and lemon, ginger, and garlic. And make sure you add honey. This one, honey. Because the taste is not really good. But if you had honey, yeah, it add the taste is better, sweet. Or you can mix the honey with garlic, ginger when you blend all the ingredients. But me, I prefer the honey to mix after I juice the garlic and ginger. And you taste it, guys. Just add more. After you blend one or you mix the honey and the juice, make sure you prepare a clean cantina. So every 3 hours or every hour, you drink this one. So I use this cup, measuring cup, because my son is 7 and 8, so 5 ml for this one. So just like that. It's time to drink their cup syrup. I give it to my son because he's having a cup. Okay, drink the one. Make sure you prepare fruits because the taste is not really good.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you for watching, guys. This is my syrup for cough. Homemade syrup for your if you're coughing, make a homemade syrup. Okay, bye bye, guys.